My name is Michael Wiener. I live in Old Bethpage, New York. Shells Only did an extension, new bathrooms, stucco, heating, air conditioning, coffered ceiling, electric, plumbing. I was looking to do this project for a couple years. We interviewed 3 different companies before choosing Shells Only. They were doing a job off the block. It came out really good, so we went with them. We saw some of their work and it looked really nice. Shells Only was by far the best price, and they just made me feel more comfortable in having this much work done in my house. We took complete advantage of Shells Only's in-house services. All the expediting, all the permits. The showroom was great. It had a lot of ideas and pretty much had something for everything that we needed to have done. My design consultant was Denny, and he did a great job and had some really good ideas. My project manager was Jessica, and she was fantastic. From the beginning to the end, she was always there and did a great job. Overall, Shells did a great job. I would definitely recommend them to anybody. The house came out awesome and looks fantastic.